Don't decrease the goal, increase the effort. What defines us in how will we rise after falling? You can start, let look different, be uncertain, and still succeed. Every present is becoming past, so what you are going through will also pass. Let it all go. See what stays. Stop chasing the wrong one. The right one will not run. Sometimes you need a mute button for your mind and feelings. Everything will change one day. So accept the reality and move on. Self love is the greatest medicine. The most dangerous heart disease, strong memory. Save your feelings for someone who cares. Deep conversations with open minded people are the best. What's coming is better than what is gone. Time always reveals what you mean to someone. Save your feelings for someone who cares. I will never ignore anyone because I know how bad it feels when you get ignored by someone. In life, what you really want will never come easy. Don't force anyone to stay in your life. If they really want you, they will stay. Innocent people are not stupid. They just think everyone has a good job. Accept every situation with a smile and move on. Let me mature by mind, kid by heart, rude from outside, caring from inside. Never waste your feelings on people who don't value your emotions. Teach your heart to accept disappointments even from people you love. My biggest problem, I notice everything. In the end, promises are just words.